Take a gentle pause and allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. You are here now. This moment welcomes you. Your nervous system has been supporting you with care and intelligence. It naturally knows how to shift into calm and balance. Let your attention settle softly, without effort, right here. Begin breathing slowly through your nose. Feel the air enter smoothly and comfortably. Exhale through your mouth, longer and softer. Each gentle exhale invites ease into your body. With every breath, relaxation flows naturally through your jaw, your shoulders, and your chest. Your breath supports a calm, steady rhythm. Your heart responds with a smooth, balanced pace. Now bring your awareness to where your body is supported. Feel the surface beneath you, holding your weight with ease and stability. Gravity offers steady, reliable support. Your body settles comfortably downward. A sense of grounding spreads through your legs and hips. Steadiness becomes present. Ease becomes familiar. Your nervous system recognizes safety. Your body remembers how to relax naturally. You are whole. You are capable. You are supported. Your nervous system adapts with wisdom and care. Energy gently organizes into balance. Your mind opens into a quieter, clearer space. A natural rhythm of restoration unfolds, moment by moment, breath by breath. Rest in this calm, steady state. Allow ease to spread naturally through your body. This sense of balance feels familiar. It feels supportive. With each breath, calm integrates more deeply into your system. Carry this calm with you as you continue your day. Your nervous system continues to regulate with ease and confidence. Balance remains available to you at any moment, simply by returning to your breath and your body. Stay mindful.